Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tip on using the Mesh Simplification tool within KeyShot. Now, the Mesh Simplification tool is an alternative tool to use if the retessellate option is not available. If your model does not contain NURBS data, you will not be able to use the retessellate button, and that is why you have the Mesh Simplification. The way Mesh Simplification works is it reduces the number of triangles used to build out that particular surface. So for this example, if I just click on this front panel option, I can see under the properties section in my scene tab, I've got just over 144,000 triangles. And in the heads up display, I've got around 235,000 triangles altogether. Now, if I wanted to use this model in an augmented or virtual reality environment, the fewer the triangles used to build up the model, the smaller the file size, and therefore the quicker the upload and download speed is. So to use this tool, you'll find it under the Tools drop-down. And if you can't see this button, simply right-click on the ribbon in the top and tick to say that you want to see it. And then here I've got the Mesh Simplification tool, which I can just simply click on to start it off. Now, as I had the part selected already, that then appears in the preview window. If it wasn't selected, it would prompt me to pick the part that I wanted to simplify. Now, this particular model itself does contain NURBS data, so I can see I've got an information box at the top that's letting me know that I should probably use the retessellate tool just because it gives a kind of a better result within here. Now, the way the Mesh Simplification tool works is it lets you know how many triangles are currently used to create the surface, and then you can simply kind of type a new number in of what you want it to kind of aim for. So when you're kind of happy with the number you've typed in, you can then click on Simplify, and it will then work out a new mesh for that particular surface. It is advised to just kind of double check what happens to the mesh afterwards before you hit apply and accept it, just in case kind of any of the holes that you've got have kind of merged into one. So you can see here, after typing in 50,000, in the bottom left it shows me that it's actually gone down to 50,359 triangles. If I am still happy with the quality that I can see within there, I can then click on apply and it will apply it to the main model itself. So again, I can select that part. I can see that it's just over 50,000 triangles. And in my heads up, it has now gone down to just under 141,000 triangles. And that is how you can use the Mesh Simplification tool. Thank you very much for listening.